How to use voice typing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable it and start using it from any text field. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap General Management. After that, tap Keyboard List and Default. Then tap Gboard, since that's the keyboard we're using here. If you're on a different keyboard app, you'll find similar settings under its own name instead. At this point, tap Voice Typing inside the Gboard settings. From here, make sure the toggle is turned on, so the feature is active. Following this, go to any text field where you'd normally type, like a message or a note. Once the keyboard pops up, look at the toolbar above it for the microphone icon. If you don't see it right away, tap the menu icon on that same toolbar, then drag and drop the microphone icon into the toolbar. From there, tap the microphone icon to start voice typing and begin speaking. Your words will appear as text right in the field. That's how you use voice typing on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.